for हाँ, B for C for D for E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes. हाँ, G के बाद क्या आता है? H. H for I for ice cream. हाँ, J for K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange. P for Q for queen. R for rose. उसमें तो रैबिट है. S for ship. T for tiger. U for umbrella, छाता. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra.